Welcome back to GearUpWindows YouTube channel. In this video, we will guide you on how to block YouTube ads on Vivaldi browser on Windows 11 or 10 PC. For this, first open Vivaldi browser on your Windows PC. Then click on this one menu icon that represents with V icon. Select here Tools in the drop-down menu and then Extensions. Then click on this one Chrome Web Store link. In the search box, type add guard add blocker, and in the search results click on this one add guard add blocker extension. Then click on this one button add to Chrome. Then click on this one add extension button. This will automatically download and install add guard add blocker on your Vivaldi browser. Once installed, close the Vivaldi browser and reopen it. Now visit YouTube and open any video. You will not see any ads during the video.